right, boys and girls, I'm fixing to show you a pattern. You're going to look quickly. Watch up there on the board. You're going to watch quickly. Remember what colors they are. Ah, now I got them covered up. What colors did I show? Raise your hand. Ella.
Red, blue, and yellow.
Red, blue, and yellow. Does everybody agree with her? She says red, blue, and yellow. So let me get 3 blocks, red, blue, and yellow. And we're going to see Kyra. No, Tiandre, come up here and put these blocks in the order that you've seen them in. So come put these blocks in the order that you've seen them in. So snap them together. They're going to have to match what I have hidden. We're going to see if he gets it right. Okay, do you think he has it right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Tiandre's. Give me a thumbs up if you think it's right. Thumbs down. Oh, everybody thinks he's right. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, what is that?
The same.
The same. You did it, Tiandre. You got it all right. Red, blue, yellow. So what comes next in my pattern? Red, blue, yellow. Don't want to put green up there?
No.
Why not? What's
Yes.
my?
Yes.
Well, what's
yes.
my pattern?
Yes.
Okay.
Blue, yellow, blue.
Come here, Callie Mae. Come here, Callie Mae. Here's some blocks here. Which one's going to go next in my pattern now? So which one's going to go next? Snap it onto here, which way it goes. Oh, let's look. Is Callie Mae making the pattern right?
No.
What does she need to do? Where does the red need to go?
On the bottom.
On the bottom? So by what color, Ella? What color does it need to go by?
Whoa.
By the yellow.
Whoa.
Mm-mm. Be nice. What goes next? Look at you. Ooh, and what goes next? Put them up here so we can see them. Put them up here, we can't see them. There you go. Thumbs up if you think Callie Mae did this pattern correctly.
No.
Let's say that. Say it. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow.
Yes.
Ismael, what color is going to go after my yellow? Maybe what? Is green going to go up here, guys?
No.
What color is going to go next, Elion? What, Elion? Red. Come up here. Let me let you put a red up there. Ismael, go sit down. Put me a red. Where does the red go? On the bottom. Good job. All right. We'll have a seat. Let's see. Natalia, what comes next? Blue. Come up here and put me blue up there. Let's see if it looks right. There she goes. Look at that pattern. What's going after the blue? Brandon, come here. Yellow. Where's the yellow going to go? On this end or this end? There you go. Javante, what goes next?
I see your feet.
See my hand up here?
Yeah.
Okay, put it on there. Good job, guys. Let's say our pattern.
Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red.
Red. You just made an ABC pattern. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C, A. Good job. So your pattern just keeps repeating, right?
Yeah.
How many colors did we use for this pattern?
Red,
3. Good job, Ellie, on 3. You guys did awesome.
We did gossip.
Awesome, possum. I'm trying to see.